Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Super Saturday video. We're going to start off by updating my Botox. It has been 1 week yesterday. 2 weeks, sorry, 2 weeks yesterday since I got it, and that's what they say is like, don't really look for too much to happen for at least 2 weeks, which I think a lot happened before 2 weeks, but that's what they say. So I'm going to get up and scooch in real close here in just a second. I'm not going to do it for a second because the mic is down here, and once I get up and move up there, you won't be able to hear me. So I'm gonna get a close-up, and I think I have a close-up. I think I did this like a couple before I went to California. If I can find that footage, I will put a before and after up. Otherwise, I'm just gonna show you. I am gonna show you that right here I still have a little bit of a green bruise. It's just taking forever, but I'm not really doing anything to help it go away because I can cover this easily. So I'm going to scoot in right now and show you the before and after, and then we will talk about when I got it. You can see my forehead and then my crow's feet, and then I have super high cheekbones, so these bags aren't going to go away. I didn't have anything done to them, so anyway, I just thought I would update. I think it looks amazing, and hopefully I'll find that footage and you'll be able to see the difference, but it's really nice and I really needed it. So when I was there, I got 40 units. That's what I got, and it was $12 a unit, so I paid $480 for my Botox, and I think it's supposed to last up to 6 months. So it's really expensive, but the last time I got it, it was a whole year. So it lasted a good, at least 6 months. So anyways, that's it for my Botox update. I think it's wonderful. I may do it again if I see any difference, but I really think that we're there now because I don't really feel any movement here. I still have movement, so it's not like, you know, I'm not frozen, that's for sure. But there's nothing up here. These don't go out as far because it's like from here is where it's frozen. So I still have wrinkles in here, but they just don't go out as far. Actually, I still have some down here. I have less over here. I think you must have got further out on this one. On this one. Because I can see more wrinkles out there. Or maybe I'll just sleep on this side, or who knows. In fact, I'm pretty sure I do sleep on the left side. Anyways, let's move on. We are going to do, I wanted to show you some stuff I just picked up. I took back, I got sent something from some makeup from a subscriber, and the, what is this called? Maybelline, I can't read it. Anyways, it was too dark and I exchanged it for a lighter one. So we'll be trying this sometime soon. I also picked up, and I'm so excited about, the new Tarte Amazonian Clay full coverage 16-hour wear time. It's supposed to be so great. We're going to try this probably on Tuesday for our hot flash and wrinkles. So today we're going to do a get ready with me, and I'm going to use one of my old favorites that was full coverage because I've been using so many BB creams and CC creams that I'm afraid I won't give this one a fair shot if I haven't tried one of my old favorites. We're going to try the Catrice HD liquid coverage that was always one of my favorite full coverage ones. So we're going to try that today. We're just going to do a get ready with me so that I can refresh myself on what I think, because this one was my favorite. So let's see if I still love it, because I was a full coverage matte finish kind of girl, and I'm pretty sure that's exactly what this is supposed to be. It's supposed to be really good too from what I've seen. Also, when I was at the store, I picked up these little fingernails that I've got on right now. I didn't pick these up. I had these, and they look black, but they're purple glitter actually. But they're just those little Empress press-on ones. Well, I wanted some white ones, so I got these white ones. So that's probably what I'll do next, because I got these because I wanted to let my nails like thicken up again, because I've been wearing nails for so long and I didn't want to have to put glue on them, and these have that little sticky stuff, and I think that little sticky stuff is not as hard on your nails, because I don't feel like it rips your nails off like the glue does. Which I'm not, you know, I don't have good nails, so I'm not worried about if they get messed up a little bit, and as long as I leave them off. Or they're so thin though that I don't really like to leave them off, because they're like little razor blades, especially if I pick at anything, then it just takes the skin off. So I try not to leave them off. But anyways, that's why I'm wearing these. But these have been lifting really bad, so I've ended up putting glue on them, and it's like, what's the point of wearing these little shorties? Anyways, I got some white ones because I want to wear them for at least, I try to wear nails for 2 weeks, but I don't know if these are going to last 2 weeks. But I thought if I do 2 sets of these little Empress nails before I go back to glue, I should get a month's worth of good stuff on my nails. Anyways, that's all. Besides the point. So, I also picked up, because I have just discovered that you can use regular nail polish, and I'd only do this on my toes usually, because I try to buy them pre-painted for my fingers. But you can use regular polish on your toes, and I put 2 coats on, and then I like make a movie or something. I wait a couple hours to make sure they are super, super dry, and then I can put a gel coat, a clear top coat of the gel stuff, the stuff that I use, and cook it, and it's awesome. It's just like having gel nail. It's actually better because I don't peel it off. It doesn't peel off as easy as the gel polish does on my toes. So anyways, that's what I've been doing, and so now I've got clear, so I've just been buying. So I bought this one. This one is, I don't even know what this one is. I can't remember now. This one is Cajun shrimp, and it's kind of a pinky red or an orangey red. It's all 3. Anyways, let's get my face out of the way. That's what color it is. And then I also got this, oh, and that's an OPI one, but I got these at Walmart. And then I got this Essie, and it is Pucker Up. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is the one I'm going to put on my toes. It looks kind of purpley pink there, but it's really pink, but really shiny, pretty. And then this is LA Colors, which is really thin, but this says gel-like shine, and I just thought the color was so pretty. And so, oops, face in the way. Oops. Let's turn it sideways so you can actually see the color. I don't believe that I turned it. Anyways, it's like almost like a fluorescent peach color. At least that's what it looks like in the bottle. We'll see. It may be really light, because it does look light now. But it's basically almost as dark as the lid. But you can't, I'm not really getting the colors good on camera. Anyways, that's it. So now we are going to do a get ready with me. And we are going to do this. And I'm probably going to speed it up because I feel like you guys aren't really watching all of these videos. So I'm going to make them faster. Make them shorter is what I want to do, so that you guys get to see the whole thing. So I'm going to put some, this is CeraVe moisturizer. Okay guys, this is it. This is the final look. What do you think? I think I'm ready to try out the Tarte now. I remember how much I love my full coverage foundation. So I am going to go wash my cat. I shaved him yesterday. I'm not very good at it, but he was so much better. I mean, he's still a crybaby. He still whines the whole time. He still doesn't let me do one side because he always wants to lay on the other side. But I did it anyways because he needed it. We were starting to call him Matt, so it was time. And he's done. He's like a cross between a lion, because I don't do his head, and a poodle. Because he's so skinny and lanky, and it's kind of lioness, but his mane's not quite, his ears stick up too much for a lion, you know what I mean? So anyways, he's a cross between a lion and a poodle, plus he's a bobtail, so, you know, that's where the poodle part really comes in. So I'm going to go give him a bath. Hopefully I'll be fine, and then I'm going to self-tan tonight. And do my toes. I want to do my toes too. I'm not going to take these nails off yet. I'm going to try and make them last for another week if I can, because I just like them to last 2 weeks, because I feel like it gives my real nails a break for a month if I do for 4 weeks. So anyways, that's what I'm going to do. And I don't know if I'm going to end this here. I may show you a little bit. I may put in fast forward a little bit of the cat bath. We shall see. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.